Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here to talk about the stock market. As you can see, not a beautiful sight on the screen right now, but be sure to like, comment, also subscribe. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy what you're seeing. Comment down below what kind of stocks you guys want me to talk about, anything you want me to talk about. But yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get into it right now. So, down $500, and it's not even Monday yet. Not looking too good. But guys, this is all because of the Trump tariff news, the 10% tariff on China and possible 25% tariff on all goods imported from Canada and Mexico. These are all the three biggest suppliers of U.S. imported goods. So this is not good for a lot of companies. Some companies more than others. We can see like Shopify is down 6%. Elf is down over 4%. AMD is almost down about 4%. But then Amazon is down almost 4% too. This concerns me. Amazon is a big dog, big player in the tech commerce space. One of my top holdings. And yeah, guys, Amazon is a great company. I think anytime they're down is a great time to buy. It doesn't matter the reason, to a certain extent. But also, what I wanted to talk about, there's a company that a lot of you guys probably know, Microsoft. Microsoft is down 2% amid the news. They don't use, they're not affected by this tariff increase. So, I mean, companies like this that are down a lot because of their, because of just what's going on in the market, not exactly their company. I think these are great buys right now. And that's what I wanted to talk about. There's a lot of companies in the market right now that I think are great buys because they're going down for not a reason that has to do with their company or something wrong with their company, but solely because of just what's going on in the total market, the broad market. And I don't think that's justified personally. I mean, you guys can beg to differ, but I don't think Microsoft should be down 8.56% in the past week when they haven't, no big news has came out. Yeah, their earnings did come out, but it wasn't really anything crazy. The stock doesn't really move all that much year over year. It's usually just a steady, 10% gainer. But the past 5 years, it's moved a lot. It's been a little bit more than 10%, but past year it's only up 1% now because of this drop. But before this big drop, it was up 11%. So yeah, guys, this is why I think it's a good time to buy. Microsoft is a stable company. They grow year over year, very well established, one of the highest market caps, $3.09 trillion. So this is a really good company to buy, I think, right now. It's not financial advice, but I will probably be picking up some Microsoft shares. And I did actually want to talk about a play that I'm making tomorrow. It is this IBIT, or it's not IBIT, my apologies. It's BITO. So this stock is down almost 12% overnight because of the Bitcoin price. This is a crypto futures stock, and they are at $21 about. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Every time the stock has dropped around $21, they've in the past couple months, not all time, but when it's been around this range, it seems to bounce back up. It's never really gotten this low before besides right here, and then it bounced back up, out here, bounce back up, down here, bounce back up. So this isn't a short-term play. It could be if the price is right, but I don't think Bitcoin is going to continue to fall the way it's been falling. If it does, great, I'll buy some more. But with the way that Bitcoin is setting up and with the way the stock price is setting up, down 12% this fast as it was just up 3%, I see a very good opportunity. If we go to the options, we can see January 2027. This $21 option, or this $21 strike price, option costs around $500. And then there's a lot. But what I wanted to show you guys, something I found very interesting, is if you go here, you go to the 21 strike price, 104 people bought this option. Okay, it's a little bit. 209,000 people bought this $20 call option. or 209,000 options were bought. It's not necessarily people, but then 244,000 $18 option orders, 21,000 $17, 21,000, 196,000. So this got me thinking, someone with a lot of money, I did the calculations, it's over $100 million just for one of the $200,000 orders. So we're talking about almost billions of dollars, at least hundreds of millions are in calls in this company. So I think someone knows something that we don't. The delta is also very high on these options. I think I want to go to option strat actually really quick to show you guys what could possibly happen with these options. So yeah, let's see the ones that are very heavily bought. $20 call, January 26th. This one is $470. It's saying this isn't probably 100% accurate because the market isn't open today and the stock price has dropped 12% after hours, but this is a $470 option on a $24 company. The break even at the end of the option, the stock only has to go 0.4%. I think Bitcoin's going to rise over the next year a little bit more than 0.4%. So, I mean, to see that the company only has to regain 20% for me to double my money almost, that makes me feel good. The delta is very high in this stock, in this option, and this is a play that I want to make. I'm also thinking I'll probably make the 2027 play. It's $5 more for another year of time, so I think Bitcoin has a lot more time to run within a year. For $5 more, I'm thinking that's a good play. I don't know if these prices will hold up, to be honest, because the stock market is not open, like I said. But this seems like a very good play. I'm going to be buying some contracts tomorrow. There's also cheaper ones as we go up here, $188. Bitcoin has to rise more for these options to be in the money, but yeah, I really like these calls right here, 20, 21, 19, just in this range. I think these are very, very well priced, and the sky's the limit. I mean, Bitcoin could just skyrocket and a lot of money could be made. Bitcoin could drop. Nobody knows. So this is not financial advice. Do not take your own risk. Take your own risk. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is a play that I'm going to be making, and I think it's a good one for me. The numbers seem right. I'll see what it says when it updates tomorrow. I'm curious. Maybe these are mispriced. I'm not sure. But with how down the stock is and with how much the current president believes in Bitcoin and what he said about it and how he wants to own part of the U.S. Treasury in Bitcoin, I think that this is a play where we can take advantage. Bitcoin has nothing to do with tariffs. So with Bitcoin being down, I think that this is definitely an opportunity. Like I said, there's a lot of stocks that have nothing to do with tariffs that are down right now in the market. Let's find another example. I mean, Celsius, I don't think they're going to be that affected by the tariffs. This is a stock. They were down almost 6%. Didn't get to buy any shares there. I should have been paying attention. But yeah, I mean, guys, this stock is it at a 52-week low? Almost. 23.49 is the 52-week low. It's at $24 right now. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is a stock that's been heavily beaten down. I'm buying shares right now. I think this is a good company at a great price. Great company at a good price, however you want to see it. But yeah, guys, I mean, these are the plays that I'm making. Nike's down. I think Nike's going to be okay. Shopify is going to be all right. O is going to be all right, especially I don't that stock being down. I have no idea. It's just all the market, the sentiment around all the stocks right now. There's a lot of stocks that are down that are not going to be affected by this news. And also, I think this is kind of a short-term thing. It's not going to, hang on for the long term. And at the end of the day, guys, this is all speculation. I think these companies are being oversold. SoFi, almost down 7%. I mean, guys, come on. I don't know. These stocks are going to be okay with the tariff news, I think. So, yeah, I mean, this is just a video I wanted to make real quick talking about it right now because I know that once a few days pass, the stocks might not be in the same position. This is a quick-moving market, very high volatility in this market. Let's see, what is the VIX at? Yeah, guys, the VIX it was up a lot on Friday. It doesn't trade after hours. I didn't know that, but yeah, guys, I mean, the VIX was down, but I'm sure it'll spike back up a little bit. This was not um, foreseen. This was not known. So yeah, guys, I mean, with that being said, be sure to look for good opportunities in this market. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of stocks being oversold that I frankly don't think should be sold at all. I think they should be green on this news. So yeah, be sure to be patient. Don't buy a stock. Don't go chasing. But if it is at that price that you want it to be at, then buy it. And I told you guys the plays I'm going to be making. I hope you guys can tell me in the comments below the plays you're going to be making. And I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.